Bitcoin's currently at $91,500, and we've had a big breakout of the 200, which has been resistant since all the way back in September. Bitcoin has been in a perpetual downtrend, and we have finally broken above it. We had the highest volume over here, November 20th. In my opinion, you can see the volume. It's the highest volume in over 13 months. In my opinion, that was the true selling climax of the market. And what is happening right now is pretty typical. You have a breakout and a back test. In my opinion, Bitcoin will be back testing the 200 moving average, which right now it's about $90,000. And of course, the big news today, the US forces seized a Russian tanker. And the other big thing was that MicroStrategy won't get booted from indexes, MSCI says. Now, this was a big bearish thing that people were worried about. MicroStrategy being delisted would cause a lot of selling pressure potentially for cryptocurrency. Now, there is a caveat. They did introduce a new rule. It will stay on the S&P 500. However, the one big new caveat is they can no longer dilute their stock shares in order to raise capital, and the investors automatically have to buy it. That is a new rule. However, this is more bearish or more bullish than bearish, because a lot of people were worried that this was actually going to get delisted, causing a lot of selling pressure, and it looks like that will not be happening. But overall, it just looks like a big breakout back test of the prior range. This is pretty common. Overall, though, I do think that today is going to be sort of the pivot day, in my opinion. Whatever low we get, I think that we're going to start to rally and experience the opposite of what we've been feeling in November and December. But the important thing is, what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments down below. Follow me for more, you savages.